tacos for lunch.
Good day.
Good vibes.
Hey, today we're playing Truth or Dare Jenga.
With our friends, Dalton and Eddie.
Oh, my hand is
So the way it's gonna work is that we're gonna take turns taking out a block, reading what's on the block, and there's either gonna be a truth or a dare on that block.
And you have to do it.
Yes.
And then it just goes on like regular Jenga. You put it back up here, and then whoever knocks it down.
Knocks it down, loses.
Yes, loses.
You're just a loser.
You guys know how to play Jenga?
Yep.
Yes.
No, not you. You. Do you know how to play Jenga?
Going low for
The
it.
first one is always, I mean, you can't go
Super
wrong.
easy, yeah. I love this one.
Yeah, read it out loud.
Okay, wrap yourself in toilet paper and pretend to be a mummy. This is so cool.
Walk around.
Go ahead. Whoa.
This looks like a zombie who doesn't know how to use the toilet.
Don't take it off, this is mine.
You gotta take it home.
All right, go
gonna
Brandy.
go?
Let's see what you got.
She's trying to find which is the best one.
Do a handstand. I can't do that. Across the wall.
I can't
and
do
sing
a
a
hand-
Drake song. I'm
Got
scared.
it. Got it.
You said call me on your cell phone. I feel my blood rushing to my head.
You used to call me on my cell phone.
I'm done.
Bravo!
Perfect.
Bravo!
Wow.
I thought it was great. I didn't even know.
Call me on my cell phone.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Oh, you just
Ooh.
went in.
Wow, this is a.
Long
Mouthful.
That's a lot of dares.
Let me put my reading glasses on. Have another person in the group give you a braid with their eyes closed and wear it the rest of the game.
Right on
Oh, I feel like I'm on vacation in Cancun. Can you put a little bead in it for me?
Yes.
Can we just like slow-mo this? Just really capture the beauty of this?
Oh, that's good.
Hey!
Look at
Solid
that.
double twist.
All right, Vital, I think it's time to get rid of
Wow,
your
that
toilet
was
paper
easy.
here.
Dare for 3 rounds. Everything you say, you have to sing with the happy birthday melody.
I love that. Whoa.
Oh man! Would I rather live without the internet or I would rather, oh darn it. Yeah, I'll get rid of AC and heating. Who needs that
Yeah.
stuff anyway? Yeah.
Vitaly, that's the first truth. We left it up to
This
you.
is the first truth that we had.
I have a feeling it's the only one.
Because all the rest were dares.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Okay.
truths
Oh,
in a
truth.
row.
I think they're all on the sides. The truth. If you could only hear one song for the rest of your life, what would it be?
The happy
Eddie's
birthday
song.
yeah. The happy. Ooh. That was
knock,
really,
knock.
really,
Oh.
really fierce. Dalton is a really strong guy.
Truth. Who do you think is the Beyonce of the group?
Obviously, it's
Ooh,
me.
of this group right here.
Who do I think is the
Obviously,
Beyonce
it's
of
him.
this group?
Obviously,
It's Eddie.
It's
know
Eddie.
that I can
Yes!
sing. Yeah, you know you should have put a ring on it. And you know that we were all playing Jenga. This is the one.
Oh, that's gonna.
Oh. What's your most embarrassing social media story? The most embarrassing time I've had. Made me probably really sad. I looked up all the things online and I thought, wow, I'm out of my mind.
Oh no.
Oh man, this
Oh,
may have been
man.
a bad idea.
This may have been a bad.
Oh! Lick your elbow. I thought
I think you can do it. Believe in yourself.
This is
Tally
only
has a
slightly.
really long tongue.
Oh no! Did he?
That's about as close as I can get.
Yeah.
Wow, Brandy!
Gonna keep.
No, you can't stabilize it. You have to just pull the brick.
Oh,
Oh my god.
that's settled in.
Okay. Eat a mouthful of crackers and try to whistle. I have no voice in my mouth.
These crackers are good.
They're very good. They're like,
I'm give up.
Wait,
Wait, you don't even have any in your mouth.
That
You're
was
talking
the worst.
regularly.
He chewed and
so
swallowed all of the crackers.
That was terrible, Brandy.
I was trying for a good 2 minutes. Oh,
Whoa.
yeah. Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh.
There is a lot of movement.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what?
Smooth operator. Truth, what's your most embarrassing fart story? I don't,
he has
because
one.
I don't get embarrassed about my farts.
Oh.
I own them. I'm like, that was me. That's right.
This might be the last one.
No. No.
Oh, that Jenga.
Juggle 3 eggs, and I don't have to sing anymore. Not bad. Can we like get circus music going, or like? I had like 3 tosses
Yeah,
in
that was
there.
Yeah,
Had a
that all
couple.
went so well and all horribly wrong at the same time.
That was
Scrambled.
awesome.
Oh man.
That was probably the best option.
the
The bottom's
safest
the
one,
easiest.
yeah.
No. I was reading this. That's what I was manning about.
Is it blue cheese?
No, it's not
Read it,
blue
read it.
cheese.
What is it?
I gotta
Dalton's
know.
gonna be happy. Eat a clove of garlic and breathe on the person closest to you. That's why I was saying, oh
Ew.
man.
It's
We're gonna
great.
find out if Dalton's a vampire real quickly.
Ew.
Raw garlic, that's
Ew.
gonna be spicy.
Give him whisper a secret to him.
Happy birthday. What's the Fergie national anthem?
Holy cow, you can smell that. You're it's the closest to you. Stop. It smells everywhere.
Oh.
It slid right out there.
I feel like I'm in a locker room.
What would you do with $1 million?
What?
That's hard. I would buy about 900,000 McChickens and share it with my friends.
How many friends do you
Yeah.
have?
Just you guys.
Yeah, I was gonna say we would have,
have a lifetime supply of
unlimited
McChickens.
supply of McChickens.
It's like,
No.
no, Vitaly, you're wrong.
No.
No.
What is
This is
it?
real.
Fart out
This is
loud.
real.
How are you?
Fart on
Force
cue.
one out now.
You're just not
Right
gassy.
now.
Dalton!
I did eat tacos for lunch.
This is it.
Yeah?
This is the end.
Where'd I go? There I am.
end.
Oh, Eddie, why'd you do it
Just
so
shake it.
quickly?
Do an impression of Superman trying to learn how to surf.
Oh, that's an easy one.
Surf like away from Vitaly's breath. That's all I need. Wave of minty cool freshness coming towards you, Vitaly.
Do the chicken dance for 1 minute.
I
I don't know it. Is this right?
Oh, try.
Yeah!
Come on.
Come on, baby.
Truth. Tell everyone in the group your biggest pet peeve. Oh, one of my biggest pet peeves is when people talk during a movie. Because I like watching the movie. I don't like when people talk. Oh, wow.
Oh, that came out
Well,
smooth.
okay.
Silky
Easy.
smooth.
I can't believe.
Genius. Dare sit in a spinning chair and have the. No.
Yep.
Yes!
Spin him.
Wow.
For
spin
30
him.
seconds. Dude, this chair is so small.
Do it like that.
Yeah,
Spin
Yeah,
him.
that's good. And just
All
stay
right.
there. Okay, please don't fall or die.
Oh, God, wait, that's too fast.
What did you expect? Too fast? You relax, bro.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, I'm going to fall.
Okay, Ricky Bobby, I want to go fast.
fast. 30.
30!
You're done.
Yay!
Yeah.
Woo.
You just stay seated for a little bit.
Wow.
Dude, that was so easy.
Oh, that was so
I thought it
close,
was
though.
gonna, like, take me
Yeah.
out. Eat a cup of Jello without using your hands. I don't have Dalton forearms.
Eat it! Eat it!
Maybe next time catch
Next
it
time,
with your
Eddie,
mouth.
you shouldn't let it go on the floor because then it's gonna get dirty, bro. Suck more.
Whoa!
Did you
What
see
did you do
that?
that the first time? That was so good.
That was crazy.
The Jello was actually pretty good.
This hurts me more than it hurts
Bye.
Do it, Vitaly.
Say
jump.
goodbye.
Oh, whoa! Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
I get all these lick ones. Try and lick my nose for 1 minute.
You're not trying very hard.
Yeah, you
Try,
That's
Vitaly,
not
try.
what your nose is. You're just like.
Put your soul into it.
I'm trying really hard.
Ew.
I feel I'm trying to figure out like a way to make it more challenging on myself. Like,
Fart
that was real! That's disgusting!
I
Oh,
don't
he has
because
a
I don't get embarrassed about my farts.
Oh.
Ooh. Like it's nothing.
Wow!
Like it's nothing.
Are you kidding me? I don't want to do that.
I'm so happy I forgot to wear deodorant
Yeah.
for 5 years.
Oh my god.
Get in here.
Oh,
Come here.
that's nice. Oh, a little right.
Get it started. Get it warmed up for you.
I'm nice and hot.
Oh wow. Okay, 2 of you guys wear deodorant. Vitaly.
Oh, yeah. That's nice.
Are you kidding me?
Are you ready?
Just make it cool.
Let me just break this box.
Go down and flame. I have never seen this done before.
We've never. Whoa!
What are you, an orangutan?
Oh my gosh.
Impressive.
Ew. Keep in
Ew.
mind he has to eat
You do
this.
have to eat
Yeah.
Guys, if you liked this game, let us know if you want to see it again, and let us know some truths or dares that you want us to include in this game. Comment that down below.
I wouldn't peel the entire thing off. Yeah. Peel. Oh.
You're so good at this. It's weird.
So precise.
You can do so much with your
Dalton, you're
feet.
eating this way different than I would have.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
There you go. You proved yourself as an orangutan.
I'm making just banana pudding at this point.
There you have it,
Oh, wait.
folks. Evolution is real.